The big question now, is the governor considering a mask mandate here in Connecticut? Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino tracked down the governor today. He is joining us live with the mobile newsroom in Vernon. And Mike, what did he have to say about these latest revelations?
Well, Aaron, he says he is going to follow the CDC guidance, but that means right now it is just a recommendation. There is no requirement in Connecticut to once again start wearing masks, even in areas where it might be, as you mentioned, there is no definition for a hotspot, but where it might be a hotspot. The governor says he's leaving that decision right now up to local officials and superintendents if they're worried about cases in their own town. But I talked to the teachers union today that says that they wanted the governor to take the lead on this.
Every town, every business, every school, has discretion to have, stricter standards if they see fit.
The CDC has revised its stance on masks, saying all adults should wear them indoors in areas where spread of COVID-19 is high. But Governor Ned Lamont says he doesn't see this as a sign it's time for another mask mandate. He's encouraging all adults to wear a mask again, but for now he's leaving it up to local officials to make the call for themselves.
I've got towns where 99+% of the people are vaccinated. There's virtually zero community spread. And I have other communities that are very different.
The same goes for classrooms. The CDC took a stronger stance on masks in schools, saying all students should wear them regardless of where they live. But even there, Lamont is leaving it up to superintendents.
We really need the governor to take a stance on this.
The Connecticut Education Association was disappointed by Lamont's stance. The state's largest teachers union wants clear guidance on when masking should be required. And with the Delta variant pushing cases and the positivity rate up in Connecticut, the CEA says that mandate should be in place now.
I'm not really sure how we open responsibly without a mask requirement.
But Lamont says the numbers show Connecticut is better off. The state has one of the highest vaccination rates and lowest positivity rates in the country. Hospitalizations have gone up over the last week, but even that number remains just a fraction of where it's been earlier in the pandemic.
It's something I watch. It's not something that I'm worried about right now. We have a lot of capacity.
And it's not just teachers on the issue of masks in school. We've also seen a lot of emotion from parents and from students on both sides of the issue. I caught up with a few parents and teachers today. Coming up on Eyewitness News at 6, I'll tell you what they have to say about these latest developments. Live from Vernon, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.